Hello, this is Chad Crenshaw with Love That Door, here to answer some frequently asked questions. What are the common issues with sliding windows and aluminum sliding doors, and how can they be addressed? Well, number one, you always want to ensure that the track is free of dust, dirt, and grime. You can always remove that by using a Dawn soap and a rag. Don't forget, you have to lubricate it after you clean it. If you ever open a window or a door from Love That Door and you hear any kind of noise at all, stop immediately what you're doing and give us a call. That means one or two things have happened. Either one, the door or the window has came off the track, or number two, you need more lubrication. Please give us a call so we can come out and address that immediately. And if you'd like to learn more, please visit lovethatdoor.com.